Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening. Myself, S Kiran, working as Assistant Professor, Department of ECE in Lendi Institute of Engineering and Technology. Right, just you can start your session.
Sir,
Yes,
can you explain the scope of electronics and communication engineering?
yes, nice. Scope of electronics and communication engineering. Actually, it is a place, a very vital role in entire universe. Okay, electronic devices have become a major part of our lives, right? Even if you communicating with me, the help of electronic gadgets only, like communication devices, mobile phones, internet connectivity, bandwidth, what not, right? Everything with the evolution of technology. Electronics and communication has become an essential discipline that is required by every industry. Once, can we imagine our daily life without mobile phone, television, web camera, microphone, laptop, GPSs, ATM machines, timer, printer, what not, Wi-Fi, internet connection, all, many more gadgets, even those communication systems, okay, like these type of communication systems, whatever it is, we cannot imagine, right? All these are possible due to only electronics and communication engineering only. Even though satellite launching, okay, what not, everything under comes into a electronics and communication engineering, right, sir? The next question.
Sir, sir, tell me about popular areas of study in electronics and communication engineering.
Yes, very good question. Most of the students are want to know about these type of areas, right? There are several areas includes with ECE, like electronics and communication engineering. The first we can start with these type of embedded systems, right? These type of embedded systems. Okay, embedded systems are one of the leading specialization in the field of electronics and communications. Okay, these systems these systems are a combination of combination of hardware and software that are dedicated for a specific function that are a specific function. These systems are programmed systems in which software is usually embedded into the hardware to perform particular tasks. Okay, it's a one area. Coming to next area, VLSI. I think you know very well about VLSI. This is called chip, very large scale integrated chip. The motive behind in electronics has always stood on three important principles. One is speed, then size. Size means compactness, then affordability. Okay, price like everything. VLSI is the discipline of ECE that engages of all the above principles efficiently, right? It is the most widely used technology for integrated chips, microchips, component designing. They're all under comes into this VLSI. A VLSI is a biggest contribution to electronics and communication. The next area, wireless communication. Even if we both people communicating without any noise, without any disturbance, it can be possible only because of these wireless communications. It plays a significant role in our daily lives, right? This type of communication incorporates the techniques of communication between you and me, between two or more systems, without any physical medium between you and me or any channel. A great example, Wi-Fi, your internet connectivity. Okay, some examples I will share here: satellite communications, microwave communications, radio communications, mobile communications, right? Coming to another important area, robotics. Another important branch of electronics, it's a combination of little bit mechanical branch, electronics and communication robotics. This field deals with construction, utilization, and control the machines that can replicate human motions. Yes, robots are machines that are used to substitute human labor, right, for various tasks to doing. Robotics is a hot trend, present trend in the field of electronics and communications, right? Digital image processing is one of the other area. Even if you talking with the help of some graphical video representation, right? Right.
Yes,
Right,
sir.
Gurucharan sir? Yes. This
Yes,
can
sir.
be possible only this digital image processing only. You're asking some questions, right? I am delivering
Yes,
some
sir.
questions, right? Whatever it
Yes,
is,
sir.
these communications can be these type of graphical representation. These type of representation can be possible only for digital image processing. The discipline that deals with the processing of digital images, videos with the help of some computer algorithms. Consequently, this branch has a many advantages. A major merit is the improvement of pictorial graphical representation in terms of a signal, a mathematical model, what not. This very much useful in this field of electronics and communication engineering. The next, you know very well, analog circuits, digital circuits, these are all under comes into this ECE field. The next, very tremendous technology, important thing now, every system to system communication, not human to human, machine to machine communication, that can be possible only with the help of IoT, right? You can control all devices in my room with the help of a small software. It can be possible only by the help of ECE. The IoT was one of the best technology the world entire by storm, right? It can be helpful, healthcare, security systems, what not, everything. Okay. Every difficult task can be implemented, can be simplified by using a simple way. Okay, IoT continue to be leading trend in the coming years. Okay, if you want to communicate with the mission to mission learning, mission to mission communicating, whatever it is, these are all areas under comes into this field of ECE, this branch of electronics and communication engineering. Right, Gurucharan sir? I hope that you can
sir.
understand about, right, sir.
Sir, you gave a very elaborate explanation about different areas. So,
Right, thank you.
if I pursue my career in ECE, so what are the potential recruiters and which sectors I can go?
Yes, right, sir. Right, Gurucharan, sir. Actually, many students are worried about why ECE. What is the potential recruiters? Where? How we will enter into the jobs? There is a plenty of opportunities, sir. Plenty in government and private sectors, especially by help of the branch of ECE. Here I will explain you some names of some government sectors and private sectors. most of the students, even most of the human beings, are very much interested to do government job only. Right. First, we start with what are the basic government sectors. Every engineer should become a scientist. It can be possible only ISRO, right? Even NASA, whatever it is. For a career in the public sector units, right? PSUs, student need to clear some like some competitive examinations, like GATE and something, right? There are some such a huge amount of government organizations are there. The first one, ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. Then ECIL, you know very well, Electronics Corporation of India Limited. BARC, DRDO, Bell, and Defense Electronics and Research Laboratory, DERL. Bell Bharat Heavy Electronics Limited. Hall, it's a wonderful opportunity if you get the job in this government sector. Railway departments, even though recently, even banking side also, they are trying to recruit who having the both the software and core knowledges to manufacturing their own ATM machines, everything, right? Coming to private sectors, what not? If you buy anything in Flipkart or Amazon, if you choose some brand, right? Gurcharan Garu,
Yes, sir.
are you
Yes, sir.
agree with that one? What
Yes, sir.
type of brands you are chosen likely? Intel, Samsung, Philips, Sony, Infinix, Redmi, Realme, Oneida, OnePlus, what not you have to choose, what not you have to pick in these websites, this Flipkart and Amazon. These are all around 1 lakh industry, 1 lakh technical companies you have to observe in India, USA, UK, everywhere. International Business Machines Corporation, Cisco Systems, HCL Technologies, Texas Instruments, Philips Semiconductors, manufacturing the ICs, whatever it is. If you buy anything, if under all or under comes into a private sectors, right? These are essential. Here I discussed only essential sectors, essential companies. If you go with these sites, you can put a resume. You will get so many calls, right, sir?
Thank you, sir. Sir, one more
Thank you.
question.
Right?
Sir, you have told me about different sectors and what are the jobs that are there. Like software is there, hardware is there. So,
Yes,
what is the ability? Can I switch from hardware to software, or is there any thing like that?
yes, sir.
What is
Actually,
the
this is very
ability?
good question. Yes, 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 yes. Actually, this question is especially used for adapt for ECE people, sir. Why? Because the most important benefits in electronics and communication branch provides you to is freedom, sir. You can work anywhere, even software, hardware, whatever it is. So I will tell you one example, sir. Sir, if you use the printer, okay, how printer is works, you given some signal from the software from the system, right? The printer is an electronic device. The print, whatever the print copy will comes from the printer. If you apply the software input, then output is your electronic device. Okay, this is some basic example, right? If you using the computer is electronic device, you are running the some software, right? These are all under comes into these both software and hardware. If your mobile phone, I think you are feeling as electronic device, but computers people think as I am the designing the software, but it's both the combination of hardware and software, sir. Furthermore, this is also the reason that a lot of industries choose, prefer, especially, I will repeat once again, a lot of industries, especially, choose, prefer only electronics and communication engineers over than other engineers. I think why it is, understand. Again, one more explanation is there. I will tell you. During the 4 years of electronics and communication engineering, Student gain the knowledge of both hardware and software aspects, right? I think you agree at this point. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
While they learn about electronic circuits, right? Devices, some communication systems, they also learn about embedded systems, everything. An electronics and communication engineer has knowledge about the hardware field and also has a grip of some of the programming languages like C programming, Java, .NET, recently Python playing a very major role. These are all languages are learned very perfectly, even though if he hardware, even though if he is he, of course, will be more successful during his career than other students who are preferred proficient only in the software field also. So the final conclusion is electronics and communication engineer can switch from hardware to software to hardware field. Right, sir? Then any
Sir,
other
thank you.
questions, sir?
Thank you so much. Sir, you have
Right,
answered
sir?
all my questions. So thank
Right,
you very
sir?
much. Thank you, sir.
Mm. Thank you, Gurucharan, sir. A very nice session. This discussion, this interview definitely may helpful for all electronics and engineering students. At the same time, aspirants of engineering students who are ready to enter into the engineering. Okay, this discussion is very helpful for. Thanks for giving this opportunity. I'm very thankful to you. Okay, sir. Right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.